Good morning, students and viewers. We are going to share a beautiful topic in the senior and intermediate: the causes and remedial measures of unemployment. It is a very important concept to public examinations. Pay attention, listen carefully. Excess supply of labor over the demand for labor is called unemployment. According to the Professor A.C. Pigou defines, a man is unemployed only when he is not employed and desire to be employed. A man is willing to work and able to work, but he is not getting work or do not find employment opportunity. So there are many causes that are responsible for the unemployment. Rapid rate of population growth. The most important cause of the unemployment in India, there is a rapid rate of population growth. Population growth leads to the increase in labor force. The rate of population growth 2.2% per annum during the 1960s. The same period, the rate of increase in the labor force also increases 1.9% per annum. In 2011-12, population increases to 1,227.4 million. The same period, labor force has been increased to 440.4 million. The net increase in the labor force is 179.07 millions. It is very difficult to provide gainful employment at the present rate of the growth of economy. Jobless growth second. During the first 3 decades of economic planning, the GDP growth rate was low as 3.3% per annum. In this period, employment is increased at the only 2% per annum. In between 2004-10, the country could create only 1 million jobs, but the rate of growth of GDP exceeded 9% per annum. The rate of growth of that's called employment declined to almost 0% during 2004-10. This shows the India has witnessed as a phenomenon of jobless growth. Inappropriate technology. In India, capital scale labor surplus country, if market forces operate freely and efficiently, the country would have adopt labor intensive techniques of the production, but in industries, unfortunately, not only in industries but also in agriculture, the producers are increasing substituting capital for labor. According to W.A. Lewis, investment in capital equipment may be profitable to individual capitalists, but it is certainly not beneficial to the society because it increases unemployment. Lack of rural industrialization. Lack of rural industrialization in rural areas give rise to the pressure of population on the land and backward nature of our farming. But agriculture cannot provide employment opportunities for this rural population, leads to rural unemployment. Already, Indian agriculture is suffering with disguised unemployment. So, inappropriate education system. Fifth cause. The education system in India is totally defective. The same education system which Macaulay, the Governor General of British, had introduced in this country during the British period. According to the Gurnal Mittal, India's education policy does not aim at the development of human resources. That education system nearly produces only clerks and lower grade executives for the government and private companies. And any education system which fails to develop human resources properly will not able to provide employment to all the people. So Mittal considered this kind of education not only inadequately educated but also wrongly educated. Lack of manpower planning. The admissions into the various courses is not being planned according to the demand for skilled manpower in future in India, according to the Niti Aayog. Social factors. Since independence, education among women has changed their attitude towards employment. Many of them now compete with the men for the jobs in labor market. But economy has failed to respond. These challenges results continuous increase in the unemployment in India. Next, eighth cause, lack of self-employment opportunities. The rural, marginal and landless households continue to remain unemployed or underemployed due to the lack of self-employment. Even the well-educated youth are not having entrepreneurial skills, and they are waiting for years together to get a government jobs. Decline of cottage industries. In rural areas, the cottage industry is only means of employment to the landless poor. They depend directly on various cottage industries for their livelihood. But nowadays, these are adversely affected by the industrial process or modern factories. Actually, it is found that they cannot compete with the modern industries. As a result, these industries suffered a serious loss, gradually closing down, leads to the unemployment in India. So, what remedial measures has taken by the government to solve and reduce the unemployment unemployment problem in India? The following are the measures to reduce the unemployment problem in India. So, rapid economic development is the main objective of Indian planning. This will open new opportunities, especially for the educated persons and skilled workers. This re-divert surplus population from agriculture to industries can be reduced rural unemployment in India. The second is liberal institutional finance for the self-employment. If adequate financial facilities are available, millions of the people may enter into the business, the production of goods and services. It provide a greater scope for the expansion of employment opportunities. And third is promoting small-scale sector. So in the manufacturing sector, major contribution to employment is the small-scale industries and informal sector. If the government provides much higher amount of credit as suggested by the Naik Committee and SP Gupta study group on development of small-scale entrepreneurs, it would increase the employment in these sectors. And at the same time, the government implemented major employment programs in India. The government of India implemented number of programs for the employment generation and income generation programs, especially different schemes are running in our country. That's called IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program. And second is